Hello, I'm Will Sampson from Woodworking Network and FDMC Magazine. We're in the shop today to talk about sandpaper. There's all sorts of sandpaper out there, and everybody claims to have a sandpaper that's really great and going to be faster and more durable and all that. The latest entry is 3M's Pro Grade Precision Sandpaper. It is this distinctive bright purple. Actually, what's more distinctive than the purple is on the back of them. You can probably even see this in the video. It's kind of shiny. It's a sort of a tactile, almost sticky, heavy backing, kind of like a cloth. But the advantage of it is that if you fold the paper over to work it, it sort of sticks to itself so that it doesn't slip around and tear. It's heavier duty. It's more like a sandpaper that you would find for metalworking. And it is rated, they say it'll work on metal, plastic, drywall, wood, whatever. Now the purple color, I was a little concerned about that to begin with. That comes from the Cubitron 2 technology that 3M uses, that is from their industrial lines, and it's supposed to make angular grit that when it breaks down, it breaks into more angular grit so that it continuously leaves sharp surfaces rather than dulling and lasts longer and cuts better. But I was a little concerned with the bright color that on, like white, light colored softwood like this, that you get some staining or something from it, and that just doesn't seem to be the case. And it doesn't, if I work on this, is a little darker wood. This is some lignia treated wood. This is some walnut. It doesn't seem to do anything. They gave me samples of 80, 150, and 220. And it seems to work really good. I'm seeing plenty of sawdust created. It seems to cut quickly. Really nice. And the other thing that this backing does, it allows you to use it wet or dry. So, I put it on a block here and work on this walnut and wet sand it. And it works pretty nice. So it's definitely worth checking out. It's, as I said, it's designed to last longer, hold up, work in all sorts of hand sanding operations. You can also use it on powered sheet sanders. It seems to do what they say it does. It's currently only available exclusively at Home Depot, but 3M may make it more widely available, but there's Home Depots just about everywhere. So it's definitely worth checking out, and that's what we've got for today. If you want to see more product reviews and videos, you can go to our website at www.woodworkingnetwork.com or catch us in the pages of FDMC Magazine. Thanks for watching.